The Human Rights Study Project offers students at the law school a really unique opportunity to have face-to-face and in-person interactions with people from entirely different cultures and backgrounds from themselves, and I think that's the component of the course that really provides added value to students. Seeing how people live, walking in the streets with people from a different country, eating different foods even, I think it really allows students the opportunity to understand in a more profound way.
The Human Rights Study Project is a year-long course that took us this year to Nepal, where we had the opportunity to meet with various members of government and people that are involved in the human rights efforts there in Nepal. Nepal is so rich and so deep in their cultural diversity, and this trip really made that and many other things that we've been studying throughout the semester really come to life.
I have this background working in economic development for law school, and so the opportunity to go to a developing country and to learn about the country and to learn about a new constitution, to me that was really appealing.
Being able to literally walk for days on end with Nepalis and to hear their stories and to hear what it's like for them to live day-to-day life in a place so different from the United States was such an enriching opportunity and taught me more than I ever could have learned in these four walls. The highlight for me was absolutely the trek to Everest Base Camp. The trek was absolutely out of this world. It felt like we were in another planet entirely.
Frankly, it's very hard to describe the trek. Thinking about it right now. We were in the Himalayas, we were walking, the very cold conditions. There weren't that many other people besides our group. It was very peaceful, it was very tranquil. We lived a very simple life. We were walking each day. We all slept early, we all woke up early and we walked. It was really just a surreal experience.
It was just the neatest experience to be pushed mentally and physically, but to be able to do that with a group of classmates who I really didn't know well before the trek, to get to come together for that kind of opportunity and get the chance to grow and challenge ourselves and see the most stunning sights that I've ever seen in my life was really an incredible opportunity.
Getting students in the ground in a country, talking to locals, interacting with them, it really allows students to learn in a totally different way than the traditional law school setting, and I think it is incredibly valuable.